Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to become fluent in English, you are at the right place. Today I am going to reveal the one best habit that can make a huge difference in your English skills. Imagine English speaking confidently and understanding it effortlessly sounds amazing, right? It's simpler than you think and can be done right from the comfort of your home. Curious to know what it is? Stick around because this one habit can transform the way you learn English. So, guys, let's dive in. Alright, get started with this game changing habit that will boost your English fluency. Ready? Let's go. But before we dive into the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. So what's the secret? The one habit that can transform your English is immersing yourself in the language every single day. It might sound simple, but let me explain why it's so powerful and how you can do it effectively. Guys, the best habit to become fluent in English is to immerse yourself in the language every single day. Immersing yourself means surrounding yourself with English as much as possible. This might sound simple, but let me explain why it's so powerful and how you can do it effectively. Immerse yourself in English means making the language part of your daily life. Here's how you can create an immersive environment right at home. First, listen to English every day. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos. Listen to English music podcasts and audiobooks. The goal is to get used to the sound and rhythms of the language, even if you don't understand everything at first. Your brain is learning to recognize patterns and sounds. And you can choose apps like Spotify or Apple Podcast have a wide range of English podcasts. Guys, you can find topics that interest you and listen while you are communicating and exercising or even doing house chores. Speak in English daily, that is crucial. Practice speaking as much as you can, even if you are just talking to yourself. Guys, describe what you are doing, talk about your plans, or narrate your thoughts. The more you practice speaking, the more natural it will become. By speaking in front of a mirror, this can help you get used to the sound of your own voice in English and build confidence. The third one is start thinking in English. This might sound challenging, but it's a game changer. When you think in English, you don't have to translate from your native language, which makes speaking much faster and more natural. Guys, start with simple thoughts. For example, if you are planning your day, think in English. I need to go to the store. I have a meeting at 2 p.m. Gradually, this will become a habit. Fourth one is surround yourself with English. Change the language setting on your phone, computer, and social media to English. This way, you will be exposed to language constantly. Guys, this way you will be exposed to the language constantly. Small changes like reading your Facebook or Instagram feed in English can make a big difference. You will pick new words and phrases naturally. Lastly, read in English daily. Start with simple text like children's books, then gradually move on to the more complex material like news articles and novels. Guys, reading helps you see how words are used in context and improves your grammar and vocabulary. Try to read at least a few pages every day. Even 10 minutes of reading can help you improve. So there you have it. The one best habit to become fluent in English is immersing yourself in the language every day. Listen, speak, think, surround yourself with and read English daily. It's simple and incredibly effective. Start incorporating these tips into your daily routine, and you will see a big improvement in your fluency. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.